I have a fairly new in-ground pool spa combo. Out of the blue, when I put it in spa mode, the jets produce water but no bubbles or good water rippling like normal. They act like regular pool jets. When I turn on the blower will blow bubbles, although not as crazy as normal. I noticed on the Jandy filter gauge, when in pool mode, the PSI is at or below the clean level, but when I put it in spa mode, it goes up to near dirty level. What is causing this?
So the obvious answer is when you're in pool mode, the pressure on the lines is much less because probably there's less restriction in the line. Maybe how the spa was built, as soon as the pump kicks on or goes into spa mode, there's back pressure because however the spa is plumbed, it's putting pressure. The pump is having to work harder to push water through those lines. So it could simply be how it was plumbed. There's always a possibility that maybe there's a blockage in the spa line, although that doesn't make a whole lot of sense because there's really no way of getting anything in there to block that line on the pressure side. On the suction side, potentially, but not on the pressure side. So likely the pressure goes up because of the way that it's plumbed. It just has that much more back pressure.